Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to use the VPN in Opera browser on your mobile phone, either you're using Android or the iPhone. So as you can see, if I go to the App Store or Play Store and search here Opera browser, and as you can see, this is the browser Opera AI browser with VPN, and it is the latest version. And if I open it, so I'll be seeing this kind of interface. And once you're on this interface, from here you can just click on three dots, and as you can see, these options like dark mode, ad block, desktop, private mode, these are the options. And there was already a VPN profile on the, as you can see, like with these four options. And as you can see, like this option has now been removed from the mobile application. If I go to the settings, there is no option like ad blocking, privacy content, passwords, and all the other options are available, but the VPN profile option is not available in the mobile browser. It has been removed from the mobile browser. It is still available in the laptop or like the PC browser, but in the mobile phone it has been removed. And it I have the latest version. I have tried it, done some research, but as you can see, like there is no VPN option. So do not waste your time finding a VPN profile in your mobile browser, and you won't be able to find it. So that is a simple and easy answer to if you can use a VPN in your Opera browser on your mobile phone or not.